think you could have put the light on the top.
Ooh.
Whoa, that makes sense.
Morning. Ready to set sail.
So we're heading to Great Inagua, 630 miles. It's 5 a.m. and we're excited.
Thank you.
It's freaking hot, very hot. I'm ready to get the wind in my face. You doing your little underway dance?
We're going on sand in the drink. We're going on sand in the drink.
On our way to the Bahamas. See ya, St. Martin.
The sargassum weed is really affecting our ability to fish. Miles to our first waypoint, St. Thomas.
Going 10, 10.5, 10.3. Flying the Spinnaker. We're about 4 hours into it so far. Everybody's already napping. Napping and snacking. Kind of nice out actually. The waves are definitely behind us, which is nice. A little bit off the starboard side, I'd say.
How you feeling, Megan?
I'm good at the moment.
You are all right. You're a trooper.
Yeah, I think I'm going to be just fine.
640-mile passage from St. Martin, Marigot Bay, to Bahamas, Great Inagua Island. Should take us about 3 days and a few hours. We got the Spinnaker up, going about 8 or 9, 10 knots, cruising along about 16 knots of wind.
And maybe spend a few days there so that if anything happens,
Not sure where the pigs are. I know we're going to eventually make our way to Stanley Key.
bacon.
The swimming pigs. We're all looking forward to that. Keith is, we're going to have to hold him back a little bit, but...
We've got bacon in the freezer. They're safe. The pigs are safe.
I got 5 more minutes on my watch. Yay!
First watch done, 10 watches on this.
9 to go! Woo!
How many? 3 a day?
Yeah, 3 a day.
All good.
So, first watch done, Keith.
All right.
Well, you got yours.
I too.
On your mark, get set, go. Spinnaker's flying, which is super cool. And we're going downwind, which I love because now it'll be easy to fall asleep.
Sailing is hard work.
Nap time!
Let me have those passports back. Copy.
Having fun, Frankie?
Yeah, a lot of fun. So much fun.
What are you working on? Megan's much better now. Yay.
I barfed it all away. Frank wants to barf right now because he's working on checking us into the Bahamas and it's taking forever.
Yes, I do. Started my 4th watch out of 10. I always keep track like that. It's about 6:30 in the morning on the 2nd day. We're about 440 miles to go to Great Inagua. We've covered exactly 200 miles. We're right up on the top of Puerto Rico, about 21 miles off of San Juan. Went through the Virgin Passage last night, past St. Thomas, up through the passage. top of Puerto Rico, then we'll go along the top of Dominican Republic, below Turks and Caicos. We'll be in Great Inagua in 48 hours about. Woohoo! There's nothing in that pan!
Except I can't figure out how to, I don't know.
Cooking with Meg.
Breakfast time! And no marketing.
The simple things in life. The next watch is coming on. Tif is showing Megan how to do it all. Oh no, you can't take that off. That was part of the look. That was totally part of the look. Oh yeah. That is, this is a prepared couple here.
And we can't stop, and we won't stop. Just a little cargo ship coming at us. Doesn't look so big from this angle, but you're sitting in this seat right now, you'd be a little nervous. But we're fine. He's gonna pass us. I have a game player. I'm so excited! Yay! Look, and we got pretzels. So fun. 6 and a 4. I gotta move 6 and 4. Just started.
One of my favorite things about sailing is doing these night watches. We got a full moon up here. It's just absolutely beautiful out. We got about, I don't know, probably 300 and some miles to go. We're got to be over halfway now to the Bahamas. Nice, easy 3-day passage. A little bit of squalls out in the distance tonight. Hopefully they don't get too organized. We've hit around 22 or 23 knots. I think they said there could be 30 or 35 in the squalls. We haven't seen that yet. We're gonna keep an eye out and avoid what we can avoid. We got the code 0 up right now. We're doing 9s and 10s. Nice, easy sailing. Hopefully we won't have to take the code down. Had a nice curry for dinner. Everybody was feeling good and was able to enjoy the day.
Thunder and lightning going on over there, looks like. Very exciting. Gotta keep an eye out for things. Gotta wake up first. Alright, bye-bye. Until next time.
Good morning, day 3.
Woohoo! Would you like a melon? I feel much better today. I've been sleeping like 18-hour days. What is it after the third, like by the 3rd day that you start to feel better? I don't know what that is. On my watch, we had to change sails 3 times. Actually kind of fun. It was squally. So 2-hour watch, we had a squall that came up behind us and thunder and lightning next to us. And yeah, very entertaining. We brought the sails down in a timely fashion. Getting to like 30s, low 30s, I guess. And we had the code 0 up and it was a little bit too much. We kept rounding up, so we decided to put the jib up. And then as soon as we put the jib up, it sort of mellowed out. We put the code 0 back up, and then we got another squall, so we had to put the jib back up. Sailing life, right? It always seems to happen in the middle of the night for some reason. Out for a nice little sail.
Yep.
630 miles. Are we almost there yet?
180 miles.
Actually, I feel much better today. Really light out here. Not a lot of boats. We've seen a few freighters, cargo ships, 1 sailboat, and that's about it. We've been out here all by ourselves. Feels a lot like the South Atlantic all of a sudden. But yeah, maybe we're a little late in the season, so heading up to Florida, but we're almost to the Bahamas, the bottom end of the Bahamas. Inagua is where we're gonna make our first stop. Check in and then go explore.
The girl who has everything. Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders could one cavern hold? Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything.
She's got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. She's got who's its and what's its
Galore.
You want to think about us? I got 20.
Oh.
But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on the, what do they call it? Feet.
Last night, almost there.
So far, so good.
You guys look comfortable.
Yeah, this is the spot.
It's her perch.
Are you filming me? Yeah. Should we film each other filming each other? That's what people do.
About 10 p.m. last night, third night. We're up off of Haiti now, probably 50 miles off of Haiti, below Turks and Caicos, cutting in between the two on our way to Inagua. Should be in Inagua in about midday tomorrow. It's about 150 miles away right now, about 140 miles away right now. Making a pretty good time. Actually have the sail set up wing on wing now, doing anywhere from 8 to 10 knots. Just keeping it kind of simple for the night. We took the Spinnaker down. There's just a huge moon in back of me. I think it might be a supermoon, so it's beautiful out here tonight. Not as many squalls. They said there were going to be more squalls tonight, but it looks like most of the squalls were last night and a bit this morning. So it's a pretty quiet night right now. Beautiful night. A wonderful third night to the passage. Sunrise time. What do you think of the sunrise, guys?
It's beautiful. How many
Your
miles?
faces look aglow.
Yeah. I always look this good.
Nothing like making bread at 11 knots.
Alright, gonna let that proof a little
Landfall, and Tif is cleaning.
I can see land just a little tiny sliver. And it's good to know I'm going to be on that land instead of just going by that land.
You're gonna get land sick.
No, I don't want to get land sick.
We made it.
Great Inagua.
They tell me this is the Bahamas. I don't know. Yeah, southernmost Bahamas. You ready to get off the boat? You want to keep going?
Whatever.
Libby.
That's what she said.
Okay, we pulled into Inagua. Clearing customs went really quickly. So there's not much to do in Inagua here. We can do the salt factory, but apparently because of COVID, they may not be doing the tours right now. So we're gonna keep going. We're just gonna press on while we're in the Passage Spirit. And we're gonna go over to Long Island, just start getting to the Exumas where we can spend a couple weeks doing little day hops.
200 miles. Here we go.
Here we go.
Let's find out what Tif thinks about this.
Yeah, here we go again, mister. Yeah.
This is the
Frank,
call. It's
what?
the call of the sea.
Oh, the call of the sea. Frank's like, well, maybe we should just get going. Check in at Great Inagua. What's there to keep us? Maybe we should just get back on the boat, get moving. And Megan said, yeah, let's do that. I'm like, does anybody need any sleep?
Beautiful morning on Little Bird. Turned into a great morning.
It was an eventful last night. We thought we were going on a downwind sail and it happened to be an upwind sail. So it was a little rocky and rolly. A little bit of a surprise, but we all hung in there and was fine. We had the main reefed at 2 and we had the jib out. So we're sailing along, I guess about 7 average, I would say, maybe actually closer to probably 7.8 average, which was still good. We kept it safe and comfortable. What did Keith think about our upwind sail last night?
Well, I didn't mind it too much. I just wanted to get Megan to a Long Island iced tea. Well, good. No drama.